The Thabo Bester prison escape pre-trial hearing has been postponed by the Free State High Court to the 10th of February next year. Bester and his co-accused appeared before the High Court this morning. Earlier, Judge Kagni Musi adjourned the matter to allow lawyers to confirm their availability and trial date. All the lawyers have confirmed that they are ready for trial except Bester's lawyer, Advocate Lerato Moela. Well, SABC News reporter Kamogelo Seekoei attended the Thabo Bester prison escape pre-trial hearing.
So today we actually saw Thabo Bester's lawyer, Advocate Lerato Moela, having a really heated argument with the judge regarding whether his matter or his application should be ventilated in court, with the judge insisting that this matter is actually not ripe to be ventilated in court. The judge went as far as actually reading back the application that was submitted by Bester's lawyers back to them, saying these are the contents of your document, and according to these facts that you've put forward, this matter is not yet ripe and you need to go back and finalize the documents. In addition to that, you need to reply with an affidavit because all the other parties that you have cited in your documents have replied. But I do have here with me Action SA's provincial chairperson Patricia Kopane, who has been following this matter since the beginning when the accused in this case were arrested. And I just want to bring you in to find out from you. I mean, we have seen the back and forth in this case. Bester seems to be the only person now who is not ready for trial, whereas all the other accused have indicated to the court that they're ready for trial. What is your comment to that?
Thank you so much for the opportunity. You know, where I'm sitting right now, I'm very much disappointed with this delay of this court process, because in reality, we have lost a person. We want to know what has happened to him. And secondly, for me is the money, the implication, the financial implication. Because if we have seen the cars that brought Thabo Bester here, you could see the millions of money have been spent every time that is appearing before the court. And it was also disappointing to realize that you could see that the lawyer, he is not ready. It was embarrassing for me to see the judge reading the application that the lawyer has applied on behalf of Thabo Bester. That is incomplete. And you could see that this delay, it's somehow I feel as if the lawyers here, they are here just maybe for their ego, so that in life it could be said that they represented Thabo Bester, they was in this court, but at the same time the cost implication, you could see the inability also not to put the proper application form that can be read before the court. So that is also disappointing. But this delay definitely, it brings more emotions back again, because we can't have a closure. The family can't have a closure, but we want justice into this matter.
So what seems to be happening now is that Thabo Bester is pursuing the same legal route that was pursued by Dr. Nandipa last year, where he's saying this court has no jurisdiction to trial him because he was essentially abducted in Tanzania last year. That is not as clear as daylight as yet, but it seems this is what they're bringing to the court. What is your reaction to that?
You could see here people, it's just a delay tactics. We know Nandipa lost the very same court, that case with cost, and Thabo Bester, he's trying the very same line, the very same tactics again. So, but I do feel this is just a waste of time. People, they are running away to face the true reality, and they must be sentenced because we want to know the truth. So if they're coming with this delay, it will take us time to end up sitting down, ventilating on this matter and trying to get the truth, what has happened, who killed the poor Katlego, who really assisted Thabo Bester to really escape from the prison. With Thabo, I don't really matter because he's already been sentenced to life in prison. So I don't know why we are wasting time about him. He must just face the jail sentence, life sentence, and the remaining ones, we want to know what exactly happened. So I hope the court must really expedite this matter.
Thank you so much for your time. That was Patricia Kopani. They're just talking to us about how she feels about this matter. You remember that inside the court there, the judge has put his foot down, told the lawyer that he has to go and correct whatever needs to be corrected in his documents, so that when this matter sits down, they complete the matter, and by next year when the case comes back to the court, everyone is ready for trial.